You get a front row seat to the shit show. Learning experience. Yay. Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Hope today is door day. We're gonna finish up this door and we are going to start cleaning that one up. But I want to get this one finished up and put back on the car. Could be a little optimistic, but let's get started because it has to get done. This car needs doors and we're just kind of like, it's blocking everything else. So let's do it. Okay, so before I can put this back in, I have to do a much better job cleaning this glass. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in time lapse because you can see there's some sticky stuff from the tint left. I'm going to remove it with Goo Gone. I'm also gonna open the door because this stuff is a little heavy. That stays there. Oh, I want to replace these too. I bought new ones of these. All right, well, we'll do that as well. Ugh. It's like straight acetone. Oh yeah, this looks great. I'm going to use an acetone spray bottle. Ugh, this is nasty. You can't argue with the results though. I can't believe I have to do that other. Maybe I'll hold off on doing the other window. I just don't think I can hold off on doing the frame on that one. Let's focus on the tint. Oh, wow, that hurt. I think I got enough of the glue off. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up this bottom part with not that stuff. Yeah, I think that's good. There's a couple little pieces of tint left on here. And by the way, I did this like so many years ago, so I'm sure a lot of you folks are new that are watching this, but I spent like 8 episodes cleaning up this door. That's why I'm so kind of nervous about getting back to doors. And we never finished. All right, I found them. I'm gonna grease this when it's back in the car. This is what the arm slides into. Let's turn it over gently. You know, this is really bad. I'm gonna have to hit this with the Goo Gone too. But I can hit this with the Goo Gone while it's in the car, I think. Let's just see where we're at. Now, I'm gonna do my best not to shatter this glass, but if I do, just know I really didn't mean to do that. There's white overspray on the front here, which I can only assume is when the car was hit and they painted it, they didn't mask it off very well. All right, I think the rest we can get on the car. It's nasty. All right, I found this, which is required to install this. Like so. Then we gotta lift the door up, stick this in, and hope we don't break this thing. I'm very nervous about this. I don't think I have the skill to pull this off. I have to lubricate this too. This is pretty bad. Oh God, I don't have this. There we go. Okay. Almost. Oh, sir, I don't like it. Okay. All right. This thing explodes on me. I need you guys to... Ow. Okay. Okay. caught up on that? Please tell me we are caught up on it. That would explain why this is so f***ed. Okay. Please just slot directly in. Okay, I have to release the pressure on this now, very carefully. That was just for safety. Now I need to get this all the way through. All right, now I have to get this thing under here without blowing this entire thing apart. Fellas, I am not taking the glass out of the next side. You can be damn sure about that.
Be damn sure about that.
Oh, Jesus. I have the feeling I'm gonna blow this window up. The only way to do this, though, that I understand, is to come in at an angle. I'm not taking the other window out. This is nerve-wracking as hell. How the fuck is that supposed to happen? Like this? I'm at a loss here. Oh, please. Stop blow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna shit my pants now. Alright. Now here's my problem. We gotta get the bottom of this through here. If we can get you to stay here while I stick my arm in here and don't get it chopped off. Thought we were out of the woods for this thing blowing up, but I don't think so. Oh my god. Who designed this? Yes! Suck it! Ooh, okay. Alright. That was not fun, fellas. Not fun. Terrible design, terrible design. Then again, never seen a window design that I liked. Now, this is a left-hand door window motor. And we have to decide if this is the driver's side is the left hand or not. Somebody also told me these suck, these reproduction ones. Where do you go now? Where do you go? Where do you go? I have no idea where this thing went. Well, I am a huge idiot. First of all, these two connect to 1 and 2 here. That's fine, whatever. But this whole wiring harness comes through here and goes around the top. And then it goes in here to the thing. So I have to pull that out. All right, I got that part undone. What I had to do to get this out, you have no idea. All right, now this has to go back through here and come up through here. I'm gonna need kind of bolts for this. These are too big. 1/4-20 is too big. Ah, that was my finger. Alright, fellas, I got a lesson. Yes, door or window motor bolts, right? But great. Just make sure you put these things in a place where you can find them. Although this is like right next to me, I'm just an idiot. I was just a idiot. guess these cut their own threads. I think there's supposed to be a bracket. It holds all this stuff up out here. I'll have to look for that. In the meantime, I am going to zip tie all this stuff here. This is temporary, but it'll keep this from going into the jaws here. Actually, I might have to redo this and loosen it up. Now this goes this way. These go into the armrest. This goes into the speaker. This has to get a, well, I think right here it's supposed to go. We ground them there, and then this goes through here. Okay, the balance of this door is all off now. Okay, I think I can get that to match. Perfect, that fits perfectly. Okay, I'll just put a grommet around this. Man, this paint scratches so easily. Sandpaper in there. Now, if we apply 12-volt power to this, we should be able to get the door window to move. I'm gonna hit this with a little grease over here, and then I guess we'll be done with the door. Ready to install. This is still a problem. I'll have to figure something out for that. Okay, so I'm gonna need a hand putting this on the car. I don't know where my bolts are for the doors. I might need to order bolts. And it is pouring rain, and I have to do this out in the driveway. It's called a hat trick. Can't put this on the car yet. But we did get this all done. This is all greased. We are ready to go to put this door on the car. This is a little tight. It's not too tight. But I do want to just put a grommet on that before I hit the road. But yeah, so this is all back together. Learning experience. Yay. One other note, I couldn't get this to go in this way. So it looks a little weird that like I have this on top. I might try to do this again. Really the pressure is going to be like lateral load on this, not so much this thing. But if I do see this bending, then I can replace it, whatever. One more thing I wanted to do today. First things first. Let's make sure we got the... I'm using orange lights here. Okay, perfect. Somehow I nailed it. Found some screws. These are stainless steel screws from wall anchors. Let me know how that looks. One more thing we're going to do back here is we're going to pop off the Ford logo. I bought the black one from LMR. This whole thing's just coming apart. Crunched off, I think. Let's get the eraser wheel. Alright fellas, I'm just gonna wrap this one up. Like I said, I can't do the put the door on until later, but I think we made some progress today. We got a third mount brake light at least. I gotta focus on these doors, and that's what's gonna have to happen. Next video, the door goes in. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.